Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this new Protea flower in Grow Garden game of Roblox new Safari update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, I could get this Protea flower, and if you want to get this flower, you can go to the Safari shop and you can buy the seed from here. It's already unlocked, but you need to wait until it has stock. Okay, for now it's still no stock. And then I have already planted this flower on my garden guys. This flower is so beautiful. Okay, it has pink color, and after this I'm going to show you the base value of this Protea flower. And if I'm not mistaken guys, you need to buy the Protea seed with 30 million shekels, but I think it's worth because the flower is so beautiful and I really like it. And let's check the base value, how much this is worth. Oops. Okay, it's not that high, but yeah, I want to recommend you to buy this seed because it's beautiful. And okay guys, that's all about the Protea flower in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.